basically starting to develop and create our flow chart, right? Now by doing this, we know that, hey, our variable declaration, it's announced. Our assignments and calculations and outputs are going to be found over here in this process checklist. Do we have an assignment? Yeah, it's the prompt statements. Do you have any calculations? Yeah, it's adding those two numbers together. And then our output. So for this example, for this problem, in your programs, I should see 4 different headings commented out. I should obviously see the variables commented out. I should see a section for the assignment. Right? And so far, these are all things that we've done so far, or should have been doing in our programs, starting with 2.2. And then we've had a section in the past for the output, and we'll still have that. But now for this program, I should see a calculation, or maybe you want to call it processing. Doesn't matter, either or. Kevin?
In the process checklist, what about the conversion of the string to numbers?
You have to add that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not in there,
Right.
right? But and that's what we need to do. We need to think, hey, not only do I need to do those, but I also need, because I'm prompting for 2 numbers, and I'm going to do some math, I also need to
Convert. Okay.
each of these bullet points, and although we now don't have them in order, each of these bullet points should be a process box in your flow chart. Huh? Could be a lot of boxes.
Well, I mean,
Not really.
not just the process.
Not that long, right? This is our natural program.
6 spots.
Okay? This
And all one bottom.
and this. In this lab, as well as the assignment, I believe. You're going to have to find the section. It says actually list it in this box. So you have to find the pre-tag. The pre-tag will look like this. And you're going to create a list using HTML tag. Using HTML. How do you do that? How do you create a list in HTML? Either one is fine. Right. Or if you want a numbered list, then this would just be NL, yeah. Okay, so you actually have to put the HTML tags in this area so that your answers are showing up in this black box when you run it. So I should see numbers here. Okay, I think in this example, I ask you to list the nouns and the verbs as well for this lab. Yep. So you're adding adding a bunch of HTML to this as well as the JavaScript.